aims to provide a stable water supply to Metro Manila, alleviating the region's dependence on the overstressed Angat Dam. It promises to bolster water security and support to the growing needs of the population. However, concerns arise regarding the environmental impact of the dam. The project threatens biodiversity, disrupts ecosystem, and displaces indigenous communities, raising questions about its long-term sustainability and ethical implications. Proponents argue that the Kaliwa Dam presents economic opportunities such as job creation and infrastructure development. It also offered the chance to improve water management practices and implement sustainable solutions. Yet, the project faces significant opposition from environmental groups, indigenous peoples, and concerned citizens. As debates continues and decisions are made, the Kaliwa Dam project stands as a testament to the complex interplay between the development, conservation, and societal needs in the Philippines.